Bernie Sanders is for real, and this is how real things start. They start out small, and they start out honest, and then people who really believe in something, they make something happen. If you guys remember Barack Obama back in 2000, 2002, do you remember him in 2004 when he ran for Senate? Do you remember the little house parties? And if you guys go to Barack Obama house parties in 2004 for Senate? Okay, you're all young. Okay. So, and then if you remember the feeling in 2007 when he went to Iowa, and do you remember December 2007? Everybody thought Hillary was going to win. Can you remember that? Hillary Clinton was going to win for the presidency in 2007. Hands down, there was no question. She had the money, she had the organization, she had everybody behind her. Barack and a lot of people from Illinois, people all went out. She ended up losing. Barack won Iowa. He went on to New Hampshire. He ended up going to South Carolina. Were any of you in South Carolina? I was there, all right, in Beaufort, walking farm to farm, trailer to trailer, okay? We went to Indiana, we went to Wisconsin. He ended up becoming President of the United States of America. So we knew at that time, as we know today, in his heart Barack was a progressive, right? But we knew he always voted moderate. He always was diplomatic. He was always careful about what he did. Remember he had to evolve on marriage equality? He got there. Bernie Sanders doesn't have to evolve. Bernie Sanders is completely developed. He was the mayor of Burlington, Vermont. He ran for multiple elections to get there. Bernie Sanders became a senator from Vermont. He ran as a socialist. He's open about who he is. He's fearless. Changed. He's that guy that when we read about 1964, the March on Washington, when we read about the 60s, when people moved out of Brooklyn, New York, and they went up to Vermont, they lived in communes and they lived in alternative lifestyles. He was there. He was the guy that in Burlington ran for mayor again and again and again until the third time he won. He never gave up. He ran against the Democrat in Burlington and beat that Democrat by a few hundred votes. He went on to become a United States Senator. He has never wavered. He is a progressive inside, outside. He comes from the New Deal tradition. He comes from the New York City tradition of left-wing progressive politics. He's for real. Hillary Clinton is not going to win. Hillary Clinton is going to get caught up in a million different things. Joe Biden is going to run for president. He's going to run for sure. He's going to be the mainstream candidate. Martin O'Malley, do you know who he is?
No.
He's the former governor of Maryland, mayor of Baltimore, the character in The Wire. He's considered the progressive in the race. Bernie Sanders can win this nomination.
Yes!
He can do this.
Yes!
On the Republican side, Jeb Bush, Marco Rubio, Scott Walker, bring it on. Bernie Sanders, he speaks the truth, he speaks honesty, he's consistent, he's clear, he has nothing in 72 years of any corruption in any elected office ever. People, honest to God, honest to goodness, they will support him. You are at the beginning of something. This is August. Just look at September. The presidential election kicks in Labor Day. By October, November, and December, it will go into full gear. Get ready to go to Iowa. Get ready to walk the caucus. Bernie Sanders can win. And if Bernie Sanders doesn't win, Bernie Sanders is our John C. Fremont, who led to the election of Abraham Lincoln in 1860. He would push our party to the left. He is the real.
before you think about it. I say, man, the Lord can go and fuck Donald Trump.